Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add Midjourney to Discord server. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Discord and log in into your account first. Click on open Discord. So once your Discord is open, you simply need to click on this plus icon and click on join a server, and here you need to search for Midjourney. Click on join server. Okay, so here it is. Now you simply need to scroll here and you simply need to select newbies. So once you click here, you simply need to click here. You can see that, click on this name and click on add app, and from here you need to select the server. Click on continue, click on authorize. So here you need to add a verification that you are human. Okay, so now it is added. So let me go on to my group, and here you can see that. And how you can use, you simply need to add this slash imagine it entered, and here you need to give your prompt. So I'm going to give call run for example, and after that here you can see the results. So currently you need to subscribe this to use Midjourney. So this is the process by which you can add Midjourney to Discord server. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.